When I was inspired to write it, it's called The Wall. I literally looked at the wall, and you always hear people saying, if the wall could speak, if the walls could speak, that's what I ran with, that thought. So I am the wall and what I would say. I stand here in the name of privacy, protection, and shelter. I am weak in the eyes of earthquakes or hurricanes. Yet the false sense of strength is not lessened because of their possible visits. My makers crucify me in the name of adorning me with their moods and attitudes, adorning me with their hopes. My relatives overseas have to wear an additional garment known to the locals as wallpaper. Why then do I bare my naked chest to those who have to enter my presence? I, of Caribbean origin, wonder what it would be like not to bare my naked chest. I have the complexion chosen by those who wish to be embraced by me. My complexion, dependent on my inhabitants, may be as fair as the sunlight that surrounds my outer shell, or as dark as loneliness. Once a year I seem to be noticed and perhaps be given a suntan or new adornments. I am weak, as my dwellers have to choose my appearance. Yet I am strong when the family of furniture arrives and has to blend with me and not I with them. When I feel ignored, I shed my tears. My tears are not of water. My tears are not of stone. My tears are flakes of solitude. My fears ignite when I watch those around me grow. Toddler Johnny has found the art of doodle and wishes to beautify me with his signature, beautify me with his signature again and again. Careless Tom swears that a post or two of his scary idols will shield me from harm. I am the protector. I need none of Tom's protection. I am the protector.